Now, the GP surgery is always the first port of call when it comes to our health. And with increasing ageing populations, the demand for high-quality primary care has never been greater. Alpha Primary Care offers an outsourced management and business support service to medical practices. The company also develops new primary care centres from foundation to implementation. Paul Brennan has this report.
A vision of health delivery in the future. This multi-million-pound primary healthcare centre in Mallow in Ireland will open its doors in the new year. Project managed by Alpha Primary Care, the state-of-the-art centre will be shared by the HSC, 3 local GP surgeries and other healthcare professionals, all co-locating to the site.
To develop a centre like this, there are a huge number of business module steps that I know nothing about, and I would certainly have skipped 5 or 6 of them along the way with disastrous results. You can't do a job like this without a management system in place. It avoids making huge errors, I think, both financial and planning errors.
Alpha's core service is to provide outsourced practice management services to primary care centres and GP surgeries like the Cork Road Clinic. This allows GPs to focus on the delivery of clinical care and still lead successful businesses.
We've gone from mostly walk-in surgeries to complete appointment only. We've gone to complete computerisation. Our accounts are up to date and we're ahead of our accountants on this. For me, on a personal basis, it has taken the administration load off me. And apart from doing the actual work, it's also taking the worry of it having to do it.
So Julie, we're going to do a sebaceous cyst excision, and you mustn't be nervous about this.
The success of the Alpha model is now being extended to the UK. Dr. Neil McNeil has been a GP in Cheshire for over 30 years and views Alpha Primary Care as key to the redevelopment of his practice and a firm foundation for supporting practice-based commissioning.
Practice-based commissioning, of course, is very much in our minds at the moment. I think that we have lots of improvements that we can be made, and we need to know how we can do that, and by providing greater efficiency, then of course our services can improve.
Alpha's practice support managers work alongside GPs and their staff continuously, from consultation to implementation and long-term ongoing management support. In doing so, they bring a broad wealth of industry experience and best practices in everything from HR and accounting to office management.
It's all about making positive changes once you get into a practice and gaining trust. Communication obviously is very key with all the staff and the GPs within the practice. But it's how you manage the whole process and how you organise your day. But trust and communication really would be the biggest elements of that.
And of course the patients themselves are core to all of Alpha's processes and the effective and efficient delivery of primary care services.
The patient is coming to see his or her doctor out of need, not out of choice. Very often that patient may be distressed, may have things going on in the background that you and I know nothing about. And their interaction with the practice, their interface with the practice, the smoother that can be, the better it is for the patient.
Currently in discussions with the UK Strategic Health Authority, Alpha Primary Care is truly leading the implementation of gold standard in primary healthcare.